Yo, what is going on today, fam? It's your boy Braxton from BZ_builds, and today we're gonna be adding a modification to my trailer that I recently picked up. Picked up this 18-foot dovetail trailer, which is really dope. A lot of y'all don't know, but I like to buy in like flip cars or whatever as like a side hustle, and then like obviously like for the race car stuff, I bought a trailer. So got this super nice, 18-foot dovetail trailer right here, but I have a bit of an issue with the trailer, and that's that the actual trailer jack, when I go to come inside of my driveway, because it's like a pretty good dip. Let me see. I'm not gonna walk all the way over there, but I'll kind of show y'all. Like, my driveway slopes, and you might not even be able to see that up on video, but it definitely slopes down, right? It slopes down. So the trailer jack, like the front jack right here, was bottoming out whenever I was coming, pulling the trailer in. So I got something to remedy that, and it's called a jacky up, right? It's called a jacky up. So pretty much this is just gonna make it so that my trailer jack is gonna be now removable. So I'm gonna get that installed right quick. So just show you guys a little bit more about this trailer. This trailer is perfect. It's everything I wanted. Right here we got like the tire holder right here. So you put your race wheels right here, then when you get to the track, take them off. Got a front toolbox right here that's lockable. Got these homemade like race ramps. Then inside here, we got another toolbox also. It already has like the eyelids built into it. So you can tie down your toe straps right there. The only other thing I want to add besides this jacky up is just I want to put a winch inside of here, and I want to bolt it down inside of there so like it's sealed. I want to put a battery and a winch inside there, so that way, if I ever have a vehicle that's broken down or whatever, now I'm able to get that vehicle up with just the actual winch, and I don't have to worry about any other craziness or anything like that. Oh, it also has these dope like wheel stops right here, so like when you ratchet like your car down, it actually so the wheels will be like right against these, and then it'll just prevent that car from rolling forward. It's pretty cool, man. The guy that had this, he took really care of it. It's actually I think a 2001 model year built, all steel, obviously super heavy duty steel, but man, it's a nice trailer. It's a nice trailer. And with COVID prices, trailers were crazy, so I think I got this trailer for a pretty good deal. So we rolling. But first things first, to get the business, I actually have to take off this old jack right here. So I'm gonna throw you guys up on the tripod right quick, and then I'll get to work. So of course, like here I am like halfway through my install. Like I got the camera on the tripod right here, and I'm talking like through all the steps of how to install this friggin' jacky up. And of course my camera dies. Like, don't say nothing, don't tell nobody, craziness. But I'm gonna let y'all know what I've done up to this point. Pretty simple. This isn't a crazy install, but I got jack stands right here, so all I did was put my jack stands to the appropriate height, and then what I did was pretty much just let down the trailer jack right here, just so the weight of the trailer would actually be right on side of those two jack stands. Number two, I took out the 3 bolts right here that hold this jack up, which most of your 3-bolt jacks, right, they're all universal or whatever, so they all are going to be somewhat similar to this, nothing crazy. So once I got that out, I came and I took this up, put that bad boy to the side. So now I started to work on the jacky up right here. So it comes bolted together or whatever, nothing crazy. There's 2 pieces in here, so once I get it all out, now and then I'll actually show you guys the 2 pieces, and I'll just walk you through like how this will actually be installed. I know a lot of people put these up on their truck so that way they're able to fully open their tailgate, or whenever they are towing a trailer also. So another perk of this thing, like, it's really cool. I didn't know a jacky up existed, so I'm like super stoked up on this. But let me get into my first issue right here. So my trailer has like the type of hitch receiver. I'm not exactly sure what it's called. I'm sure y'all know what I'm talking about though. But mine has the type where it pulls back and then it releases this, so you're able to drop the ball. Then once you push this back in, right? Oh, and then it locks it. But the thing about mine is that when this is fully depressed, right, it would be hitting this right here. But all I need is this range of motion right here, which still secures it with no issue. So I don't think that's going to be a problem there. So I'm gonna still continue on with the install, and if I have any problems, then I'll figure it out then. But I think we're gonna be all right. But next step there is, which I'm just gonna lock this for now, just get that out of the way. But next step from here, you just want to line it up with your holes. Obviously, as you can see, it lines up there. So I'm gonna take my old hardware here, right? I'm gonna take my old hardware and just install it on the actual jack me up. So then this plate right here is actually going to come on top of there like this, so that way when you go to put the jack in, it will drop in like that, then you turn it and then it will stop it right there. So it's a pretty cool design. I think it's pretty dope, and it's going to work for what I needed to do. And also this jack me up piece is actually good for 2,000 pounds of tongue weight, which is a pretty good amount. So I know it'll work for my needs or whatever. Maybe it might not work for some of you other people out there that tow super heavy, but at least for my needs, it's gonna be perfect. But let me get this thing all together and I'll show you guys the finished product. All right, y'all, so I got everything together. All the weight is now off of the jacks. And you can kind of see the design, how like it goes in and it turns, and then as you jack up the actual jack, then it brings up the kind of plate piece that goes underneath these little teeth right here that actually hold it up. The only downfall I see with this is now the trailer is kind of wobbly. The trailer is definitely kind of wobbly there, which is, I guess, a little bit sketch, honestly. Like, definitely not as sturdy as it was, but I also didn't do this with the other jack setup, you know, just the original. Like, let me go ahead and take all the weight off of it, lower the weight back onto the jack stands, and y'all can see just how it comes out. All right, so weight is off the jack stands now. So now all you gotta do, take a little bit more. So now all you gotta do is just kind of rotate it and find the groove. I think the powder coating is making it so it only comes out one way right now, but once it wears in, you can see how that would come just straight out. Obviously, I got the little bottom pad piece on there, so I can't take it all the way out right now, but you can see how that would come right out, and that would leave a lot more room for you to be able to lower your tailgate, for you to be able to just approach like steeper angles without bottoming out your jack of your trailer. So I mean, there's definitely pros there. Like, tell me what y'all think, man. Tell me if y'all think this is like mad sketchy, or if you think this is a good idea, like something that y'all would use on your personal trucks and trailers. Let me know, because this is my first trailer. I never had a trailer before, so I'm still figuring things out. Also has to be lined up right, just so the bolts kind of go inside their holes. But yeah, lifting it up right now. I think it's a cool design. I think it's dope. I don't think I would leave well, that might not even be the jack me up, because that's really, it's a lot of movement within the actual within this bottom shoe plate. It's a lot of movement there, so I'm not going to attribute it all to the jack me up, to jacky up. But yeah, I still think it's really cool, just in the way that it works. And I don't see this being an issue. I still have plenty of, like, this still like penetrates plenty enough to hold this in place with no issue. So I think that this is going to work for my setup. I don't see it being an issue. The only issue I see is, well, none really. Let's see. Yep, that will work. That'll do. So yeah, got that installed. So the jacky up is now installed on the trailer, which is really cool. I think that's gonna be a cool addition. It's gonna help a lot when towing. Now next thing to do is get a winch installed, And y'all, I'm using a new camera. I'm still figuring out like how to work the different angles. I know it's like cropped a lot more than my old camera was. So if everything seems a lot closer, I'm still like, my mind is still trying to just get used and like get used to where to stand at. Also, I haven't vlogged in a minute, man. It is what it is. But yeah, we getting back, man. We tuning up, we getting back. Thanks for watching the video, man. If y'all want to get your own Jackie up, I'll have a link down in the description where you can pick up one for your own trailer. But yeah, let me know. Take it easy. I'm out.